The global Forex market boasts an impressive average daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion, solidifying its position as the largest financial market worldwide. It attracts traders of all levels, from beginners exploring the intricacies of finance to seasoned professionals. It is estimated that approximately 9.6 million individuals engage in online Forex trading around the globe. Undeniably popular, Forex trading raises the question: is it a good investment? Let's explore the factors that make it an enticing choice for traders. Volatility. Volatility refers to the extent of price movement in a financial instrument over a specific period. It is this volatility that enables traders to profit in the financial markets. While high volatility carries increased risk, it also presents the potential for substantial gains. The ample volatility in Forex trading makes it an attractive investment avenue with numerous profit opportunities. High liquidity. The Forex market boasts unrivaled liquidity, making it more accessible for trading compared to other financial instruments. For instance, the stock market exhibits lower liquidity, which complicates trading during market downturns. In contrast, the Forex market's high liquidity enables seamless trading in both rising and falling markets. Additionally, Forex trading allows for the potential to earn higher returns through leverage. Leverage in Forex trading. One of the driving factors behind the popularity of Forex trading is the leverage provided by Forex brokers. While brokers in other financial markets, such as stocks, offer leverage ratios in the range of 20-to-1 to 50-to-1, Forex brokers commonly offer leverage ratios ranging from 400-to-1 to 500-to-1. Leverage serves as a tool that enables traders to assume larger positions with minimal capital. For example, with 50-to-1 leverage, you can open a $50,000 position with just $1,000 in your account. Leverage amplifies both profits and losses. Accessibility. Selecting a reputable CFD provider is a crucial step in developing a winning trading strategy and enhancing your potential for success in CFD trading. It is essential to ensure that a broker aligns with your trading expectations and requirements when opening a CFD trading account. The broker should also match your trading style and provide the necessary tools and support. The most successful CFD traders possess a solid understanding of market dynamics. CFD brokers can greatly assist their clients by offering access to top-notch charting tools, market updates, economic calendars, expert financial insights, signal indicators, webinars, and a comprehensive FAQ database. Regulation. Forex trading is subject to regulation by various bodies, including the FCA, ASIC, SEC, and FSA. Regulated brokers undergo rigorous monitoring and are expected to adhere to stringent operating guidelines. Trading with a regulated broker ensures the safety of your investment. With proper diligence and realistic goals, you can thrive in trading without concerns about scams. Transparency. Since there is no central location for currency trading, the Forex market is considered decentralized. As a result, the market is highly transparent, allowing anyone interested in investing to participate. Starting with trading simply requires owning a computer, having internet access, and being able to analyze real-time data and check the latest news. Low cost of trading. Forex trading typically involves minimal exchange fees and commissions. Most Forex brokers offer commission-free trading, requiring traders to pay only the spread, the difference between the bid and ask prices of a currency pair. Furthermore, many Forex brokers now provide ultra-tight spreads, some as low as 0.0 pips. This significantly reduces the cost of Forex trading, particularly when compared to other financial instruments like stocks, where traders must pay both commissions and spreads. So, is Forex a good investment? To assess the quality of an investment, several characteristics come into play. Expectation of a return. The primary objective of investing is to achieve returns. Inherent risk. Every investment carries a certain level of risk. Liquidity. An investment should be easily tradable. Stability of income. When executed correctly, Forex trading can satisfy these criteria, including the potential for stable income. Though losses are inevitable in trading, successful traders can consistently generate profits. Ultimately, the merit of Forex as an investment depends on the determination and perseverance required to navigate the learning curve and overcome the challenges involved.